Welcome to the Power BI Complete Dashboard course for 2026. Let's get started. In this lesson, we will cover how to install Power BI Desktop and understand its core interface. By the end of this module, you will be comfortable installing the software and navigating the primary workspace. This course is designed for absolute beginners, focusing on clear, actionable steps for dashboard creation. Data analysis requires the right tools. Power BI is a leader in modern business intelligence. Today, we'll examine the workspace where all your data transformations and visualizations happen. Follow along as we walk through the setup process, ensuring your environment is ready for development. Efficiency starts with knowing your tools. We will dive deep into the ribbon and panel layout. Consistency is key to a smooth workflow. We will organize your screen for maximum productivity. Understanding how to interact with the canvas is the first step toward building your first report. BI tools turn raw numbers into actionable strategy. Let's see how the interface supports this. Every button in the interface has a purpose. We will decode the most important ones today. The underlying logic of Power BI makes it incredibly powerful for complex data processing. Visualizations are the heartbeat of Power BI. We will explore the visualizations pane in detail. Data navigation is intuitive once you know where the key settings are located. Collaboration begins with shared data views. Learn how the workspace facilitates this teamwork. Focus on your goals. We'll streamline our overview so you can start building immediately. Analytical thinking is supported by a clean, organized dashboard workspace. Sophisticated dashboards start with simple foundations. We are laying that groundwork now. Ready to move forward? Let's get these initial interface basics locked in. Data doesn't sleep, and neither do our analytical workflows. Let's sharpen your skills. See the big picture by mastering the dashboard views available in Power BI. Charts tell a story. Let's make sure yours are easy to interpret. Complexity is managed by Power BI's robust and dynamic system architecture. Clear presentations win stakeholders over. Start your journey here. Data analysis requires dedicated focus, so let's master the interface navigation. Visualize complex information to make it accessible to everyone on your team. We are accelerating your learning curve with these essential Power BI tips. Gain confidence in your reporting skills by understanding every pane and tab. Data-driven decisions require the right collaboration tools within our platform. Modern dashboards are your window into business success. Keep them organized. Collaboration makes technical challenges much easier to solve in real time. Spreadsheets are just the beginning. Power BI brings your data to life. Global markets move fast. Keep your financial insights up to date. Business intelligence isn't just for experts, it's a tool for everyone. Teamwork is vital when transforming raw data into meaningful business report. Coding isn't required for basic visuals, but understanding data structures helps. Stay focused and dedicated. Every expert starts with the basics. Connect your reporting across devices by utilizing Power BI's ecosystem effectively. Data processing is more efficient when you know the shortcuts. Mastering the layout allows you to handle even the most complex data tasks with ease. Analyze findings together to drive better business outcomes across your organization. These visual representations are the foundation of modern, impactful data storytelling. Monitor real-time data to maintain system health and operational excellence. Key performance indicators keep your strategy aligned with your long-term business goals. Now that we know the potential, let's proceed with the installation process. Visit the official website to download the latest version of Power BI Desktop. Ensure your system meets the requirements before running the executable installer. Once installed, it's time to explore the interface and its primary navigation components. The ribbon provides quick access to your most frequently used commands and tools. Switch between report, data, and model views to manage different aspects of your project. Customize your workspace by utilizing the fields and visualizations panes efficiently. With the layout understood, we can start our first data project. Connect to your first data source to begin building your analytical dashboard. Learn to drag, drop, and resize elements on the canvas for optimal design. Don't forget to save your progress and share your findings with your team. We have covered a lot today, from installation to the first data load. Remember, a clean layout is your best ally in creating clear, meaningful reports. Get ready for the next lesson, where we will dive deeper into data transformation.